Good morning, or good afternoon, depends on when you're watching it, and welcome to our assembly. Now, today's assembly is a little bit different to lots of the others that we've done over the last few weeks because for the very first time, I have seen almost all of you face to face when you have come into school, and that's so exciting. It's really, really lovely to have almost everybody back. It's absolutely brilliant, and I'm so glad that everybody is okay, and that everybody is well, and that everybody is able to come back to school. Now, one of the things that you'll be doing with your teachers, you might have done it already, is you'll be thinking about our school rules. Okay, so if you have already done this, take a moment to pause the video and just remind yourselves, what are our 3 school rules? Okay, you got it? And it is ourselves, thinking about ourselves and doing the best for ourselves. Others, respecting other people, respecting and doing our best for other people. And property, looking after our property, looking after other people's property and doing our best. And it's all about doing our best and showing respect. Okay, that means that you treat things seriously, you treat things carefully, you look after them. It might be that you look after yourself by trying your hardest with your work. It might be that you look after yourself by eating the right things and keeping healthy, or by exercising, or by practicing good mental health like meditation. It might be that you look out for other people by saying kind words, kind things, that you use your manners and say please and thank you, or you stop talking when somebody else wants to speak, showing respect for other people. Or maybe just inviting somebody to play the game with you because they look a little bit lonely on the playground. We can do all of those things. And the last one is about property. And that's a bit of a biggie because it's not just about the stuff that we've got around us. I haven't looked after the property very well because I've just plonked my face mask here down on the table and I should have put it away. I haven't put my phone away. There's a lid for my pen. I haven't looked after those things. So I'm going to do that after the assembly. But also, it's about looking after our environment and the place around us. It's not just about tidying up and looking after our own things. So it's about making sure that we recycle properly. It's about making sure that we don't waste things. Lots and lots of things like that. Now, what we're going to do in classes this week is we are going to focus on this idea of kind words, doing our best with kind words. And my assembly is going to be a little bit about that and what we can do to use some kind words. So I'm going to show you some pictures. And there is a common theme between all of these pictures. It's one word. I wonder if you can guess what that theme is. So here's picture number 1. 3 people. Okay. You're ready for picture number 2? Ooh, lots of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. There's just a head poking out on the far right-hand side. Photo number 2. Oh, cute. Photo number 3. We all like a baby with a big smile. And some of you were probably that cute when you were young. And some of you, yeah, you were all that cute when you were that age. This looks like 2 friends. I wonder what they've got in common with the other 2 pictures, because it's clearly nothing to do with age now. So we've got a baby and we've got grown-ups. Final one. Very, very newborn baby. Very, very newborn baby. All tucked up and snug and asleep. So there we go. What do you think the common theme is? What is the same about all of those? One word. One word. Have you got it? If you haven't, I'll give you a clue. It is the longest word in the world. The longest word in the world. And that word is smiles. Now, I wonder if you can tell your teacher or tell your classmates why smiles is the longest word in the world. And if you can't, I'm not going to tell you. You'll have to work it out for yourselves. But it's a good one. Okay, smile is the key thing. So what we're going to do is have a think about times when you would be likely to smile. Now, I bet you've seen somebody today that has made you smile. You've seen somebody you haven't seen for quite a while, and that's made you smile. You might be really, really happy when you've come into school. You might have walked into the classroom and seen Mrs. Bates and been really, really happy. I hope so, woodpeckers. It might be that when you get a present, you're happy, or when you have a photo taken. And I wonder if mums and dads have taken photos as you've gone into school today. Because now when we take photos, we expect people to smile. But in Victorian times, when Queen Victoria was alive, just before, so she died in 1901, so over 100 years ago, it was the exact opposite. People in photos were told, do not, on any account, smile. So we're going to try that. Ready? We're going to see if you can hold really, really serious expressions for 30 seconds. Okay? 30 seconds, and we're going to see if we can manage it. Okay, so I'm going to time it, and there is no smiling. Ready, steady, keep watching the video, but go. Okay, keep watching the video. Has anybody smiled yet? It's hard, isn't it? Keeping a straight face all that while. Really difficult when your head teacher's being really, really silly. So I'm going to tell you some facts about smiling. Are you ready? All right. There are over 18 different types of smile. For example, a smile that says hello, a smile that says you're feeling a bit sad, a smile that says you're excited. So you could try different types of smiles. And someone who studies smiles is called a gelotologist. A gelotologist. And a smile can use between 5 and 53 muscles in your face. And when you smile, give me a smile now. Try it. Your body releases chemicals called endorphins, which make you feel better. It actually physically makes you feel better if you force yourself to smile. And studies have shown, people have done research and shown that people who smile more are usually liked more. And sometimes, if you're talking on the phone and it's just a voice call, not a video chat, you can often tell if someone is smiling, even when you're only speaking to them on the phone. And often you can see that in people's eyes. And we've noticed throughout the last year that when you wear a mask, you can see from somebody's eyes when they're smiling. Have a look at my face and see if you can notice when I'm smiling. Can you see? And my glasses have started to steam up like they always do. Okay. How does it make you feel when somebody smiles at you? It's a nice feeling, isn't it? It makes you feel happier. It's a really lovely thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to think about some kind words that can make somebody smile. Okay? Kind words that make somebody smile, because our focus for this week is doing our best with kind words. So let's give that a reason to do our best. We're going to see what we can do to make a smile. So it might be, Mr. Babington, I really liked your lesson. That was really good fun. That might make him smile. It might be, let's see, Mrs. P. Jones, I had a really cool playtime. It was ace. And that's going to put a smile on Mrs. P. Jones' face. Okay. It could be that you say to your teacher, I've just picked up these pens that were on the floor for you. And that would be a really nice thing to do. And you're saying these things, you're saying these words that make somebody else feel good. Now, it might be that you say something to your friend. We talked earlier on in the assembly about how you could say, do you want to come and play with me? Now, particularly if somebody's looking a little bit on their own, a little bit sad, do you want to come and play with me is a really kind one. Are you okay? That can make somebody smile. Or, and I bet somebody said something like, kind of like this, I've really missed you. I've really missed seeing you, or I've missed playing with you. Because sometimes we might feel these things, but we might not say them out loud. So let's try some of those things. Now, I reckon you've probably been thinking about some of these, and on your posters in the classroom, you will have been putting ideas about kind words. So have a think about those kind words. Two really, really important ones, kind words that can make people smile, please and thank you. And ones that we absolutely know. They're dead obvious, but they can make somebody smile, make somebody feel good. So there is a common saying, which is a smile costs nothing, but gives much. So it doesn't cost you anything to give a smile. It's really easy to do, but it can make somebody feel better all day long. So have a think about when we smile at people, how it can make them happier. There's a verse in the Bible that says a cheerful heart is good medicine. And it can actually help you to feel good. So think about a time when someone's given you a smile and it's made you feel good. Have a think about people you know who smile a lot. And see if you can decide to smile at lots of people today, or see if you can decide to use your kind words to make somebody else smile. And sometimes we don't feel like smiling because we're sad or something bad has happened. Let's see if we can look out for those people who seem sad and try and care for them. Try and use our kind words to care for people. Okay, there we go, guys. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day today. It's fantastic to have people back in school. And I am looking forward to seeing you all when you are around school. I'm looking forward to seeing your amazing work. I'm looking forward to hearing from your teachers about how amazing you're being. Okay, so I'll see you all very, very soon. Ta-ra, bye-bye.